Hello guys, I'm Prabhakaran. Welcome to Innovative Coach Academy. In this video, we will see about how to write a program for Cipher encryption and decryption method in Python program. Before going to program part, we will see about what is a Cipher encryption and decryption technique, how to perform this logics, and where Cipher encryption decryption technique is used in olden days and military wartime. This technique is used for passing message to commanders to soldiers, soldiers to commander, because of data security. Using of one of the technique is Cipher encryption. Here we will take a plain text ABCD. First we will see about a Cipher encryption technique. The Cipher code is your preference. What Cipher code? That is our key. So 3. We will take the Cipher code 3. Take the plain text A B C D E. The Cipher code 3 means we will shift the key A, assign A, the shift the A to 3. A, B, C, D is a third node. It is a replacement D. This is encrypted D. A is D. Now see encrypted after encrypted. To follow the Cipher code 3. Then B is shifted by 3. B after C, D, E. E is a encrypted E place. This is replace the E. Vice versa of C, D, E. The C is shifted by 3. C shifted code 1, 2, 3 is a F. The D is shifted by 3. 1, 2, 3. G is encrypted. Test by D is G. E shifted by 3. 1, 2, 3 is actually encrypted value of E. Finally, we get answers D, E, F, G, H. It is a or encrypted test. It is a or plain test. This our message is passed to my friends or colleagues or in secret with my friends. We will share the message. Is using this technique. It's a very fun thing. Very funny thing. We will use it. Let's go to program part. First we will see about encryption program part. Already I wrote a program in Python IDE. Here I will create a function with a different function. So function name is encrypt. Here we will pass the test and shift code. I hope you will see that. First get the message from user, then get the shift code. I hope you can understand that. What is shift code, what is plain text? The plain text is our message test. Here we will take the message from user. The test is stored in test variable. The shift code is stored in X variable. Then print the test and then print the shift code. I hope you know about Python program, how this performs backend. Here we will change the string format, the integer to string format, because of we will get the input from integer. Then we will is one of the method we will use. Then we will call the function call, then pass the test message and the shift code. After function call, it is going to reach this area. I hope you will see that. It's a def method. Here we will create a user defined method. Then after pass, we'll create a result variable, say empty. Pass to the empty string. Then test is replace the space, because of some of users send a big message. For example, Innovative Coach Academy. The Innovative Coach Academy. Innovative is a space. The Coach is space Academy. Here we will sort out the space instead of the non-space. Then use the for loop. Here we will use the for loop as a range set based on message length. Here we will pass the single letter. It is stored that test I. Test I means is a zeroth index what message stored. For example, ABCD, the first letter is A. The first letter is here, first character is stored A. Here A will store. Then pass that, then we will declare if else condition. Don't forget this formula. I will explain later how this formula perform. Then check that its character is upper or lowercase. So char dot is upper. Is this condition, this statement is used, or else this character is, this A is lower, this statement will be used. Before going to solve this equation, you know about ASCII value. ASCII value is nothing but we will added blog in our website. Go to our website and type URL Innovative Codes Academy. Innovative Codes Academy. Our link is so click on the first link. Here you will visit our website. It says again categories is ASCII values. I hope everyone know about ASCII values. This is a, here we will write blog as of March 2021. You will use this key. ASCII is stand for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Is any code format is a universal code encoding standard for characters encompassing many languages. 1991. This is a ASCII table. Why? That's why we will use the ASCII values. The computers or know that a Unicode. Here we will use the ASCII values. So 65 is starting from uppercase. Just see. So 97 is A. That's why we will use the 65 and 97. This formula we will sort out. Here we will use char function. The char function is used for integer to character. Change the integer to character. Here we will use the ORD function. So ORD function is used for integer to, not integer, character to integer. This function. Before enter this equation, we have the value in character, the first value, or sending message first value. We will send the which message A B C D E. We will pass that A B C D E. Okay. Here we first take first value, because of we will use the test I. So index value is 0th index. Take the 0th index. Then after loop iteration, then take the index 1 value. The index 1 value is B. I hope you will understand that. Here first, here we will declare equation is a result. This is a addition assignment operator. We will use, means result equal to result plus this formula. It's a equal memory is, or will here. Now I will solve it. The first ASCII value A. What is first we will pass the caps value. We'll pass the order of the char. We'll run the program first. A B C D E. The shift code is 3. We'll get E F G H. Now I will see about each character ASCII values, where we will use the ORD functions. ORD capsule. Sorry for interruption. Here we will use that. print audio cap, save, then run. We will pass that message A B C D E. The zip code is 3. I hope you all see that here that program is 65 is value. Now I will show that A equal caps A or D, so ordered function. This function is used to character to integer. We change the character to ASCII value based on letters, alphabet, using of alphabets. I hope now we will see that this ASCII value is 65. This, because we will use the caps. The caps alphabet is starting from 65. Now I will declare one variable, so B variable equal store small value, small a. Then I will order using order function to print the B. Now we will see that it's 97. 97 is starting from alphabets as small a. I hope you all understand. Now go to my website, our website. The caps value is starting from 65 a. The small values, small alphabets are starting from 97. I hope you will understand. Here we will using these techniques. In program I will explain entire process, how we will use this technique, how we will solve that technique. First we have a, because of first value is index, 0th index a. In character, in char variable is store a char dot is upper, is passed that this if else is, if condition is true, enter this statement, the action this statement. First character char function is used. Well, you know about precedence. First we will give preference in the curve bracket. In the ground bracket we will solve that. We will pass that a value. A value is what is a value? What is a value? It's 65. So a value is 65. What zip code we will shift? We will use a zip code is 3. Plus 3 minus 65. Then bracket, so modulus 26 plus 65. First we will calculate this value. 65 minus 65, we will finally get 3 value. Then 3 module 26. The smaller value module is a higher value, is the value is 3. Now I will show you that actions. 3 modulus 26. I hope you will see that the answer is 3. I hope you will understand. The small value modulus using higher values is print only small value. This answer is small value. Then add that 3 plus 65, 68. Then this part is over. Here we will replace 68 After solving we will get answer 68. Then here we will use char function, char 68 char. Using this function, change the integer to character. In the 68 place, what characters are present? We will go on visit our website, see that 68 what value is present, D. Yes, we get its correct answer, D. A, the shift code is A123. The shift code is 3. The starting we will encrypt A using the shift code 3. The shifted the A123. Our shift code is 3. This is our encrypted test for plain test A. I hope you all understand this encryption technique. It's a decryption technique, very easy. Vice versa, you were using instead of plus, you were using a minus. Just sort out the problem. You will easily understand. First, we will see about encryption technique. Now, I will run that program. Save that program. Shift run over. So close that. Again, I will kill the program. Now again I will run the program. Here enter our message, innovative. My message is innovative, my plain test. Innovative. This is our company. This is my channel. Starting letter, starting word, innovative. Innovative. Now I will use the key 3. Shift code is 3. It is my encrypted message. This message is passed to my friend, and along with you my key. My friend is decrypted reverse order. Encryption is go forward, decryption is go get backward. Your encryption word is D, your shift code is 3. You get a plain test, you will go to backward based on your shift code. I hope you will understand. Now we will go to see about decryption technique. This encryption technique is over. Now I will close that shell. Before going to decryption technique, we will see about logics behind the logic of decryption technique. Right. It is a logic of decryption technique. It is our encrypted test, DEFG catch. Which plain test we will get? I hope you know ABCDE. It's all my assume. You can use any words, any letters, and you can use any shift codes based on your keys. What keys you can send that message along with your users or friends or colleagues. First, the kind of function, decryption function. It is our encrypted test. It's a D, E, F, G, H. You go to backward. So D is here. You go to backward 3. It's a backward process. Encryption is forward process. Decryption is backward process. I hope you can understand. So backward. So D is a shift 3. 1, 2, 3 is a D is decrypted using of shift code 3. You get plain text A. Then you will decrypt the E using of shift code 3. 1, 2, 3. So B is your plain text. Is matching. It's correct. Then using of F. Where is F? You can shift the code backward. 1, 2, 3. Your F answer is C. You see is your plain text. will verify and sort out the ABC in remaining two characters only. So G is your shifted backward 3 space 1 2 3. So D is your pointers. H, then you will have H only, the final letter characters. H you can shifted G F E. E is your pointers. This is a behind of logic for decryption method. This is a decryption method. Now entering a program is very easy. Before, what we will see is, instead of using plus symbol, plus operator, using of subtraction operator. That's simple. You can just memorize this formula. Is very helpful to you. I hope you can understand. So no worry about you won't understand. Again, I will teach you in a decryption method. Well, vice versa, you will using a forward and backward. And you see this operator only vary in using of encryption method, using this operator plus, and decryption method we will use the subtraction. Let's go to just enter in a decryption method. Just start. Open my program is a decryption, my decryption method program. As well as I will get input from users and message input. The string method is storing words in a test variable. The shift code is storing in S variable. Then as well as I will print the test, what test well passed. Then what shift code we want. Then print out using of a string function, st or use built-in function. We will print the shift code in string type. Then using of, then we will call the decrypt method. Here we will declare user defined functions. Def decrypt. Here we will pass the test and shift code. This test and shift code is reflect this place. We will pass the arguments of past, as well as here we will declare empty variable result. Then using a for loop, then for loop the run based on length of for message. This is for form is autonomous. You based on your message. Your message is so lengthy. This loop is again repeat is work. At the end it's a break. It's a breakdown and you will get your answers. Now after here we will declare char equal to test of I. What now is starting this I is a 0. What is the test? What message you will pass? See, our encrypted test is what? Our encrypted test is D. So D is the first letter. Right. In characters, the first we will store D value. It's a very temporary variable only. This is not using, but this is using in the main programs, the main functions. After that, checking this upper or lower, based on lowercase uppercase, it will perform. It's just varies a formula. This is upper is using of 65. You know about ASCII values. Go to my website. You can see that link in categories again. Is our website. We will write blog about ASCII values. You will understand easily. The situation starting from uppercase values. So lowercase is starting from A. So 97. Go to program part. Here we will solve. This place also I will solve. Using here we will using command line. First result is stored empty. Actual represent, so result equal result plus this equation. Now I will solve. First we check each words, each letter we will pass the big message or one word. In this program first take the word, then take the letter, particular letter index wise. That's why we will use this method. So carry store test of I is here is what values, first starting value is 0. I hope you know about index. What is index? First value is 0, so carry is upper. If part is true, then statement is start function. This is result plus result is empty string, is append to the this formula. You think this is take a formula, just memorize our first. What's the order of char? This ORD function, built-in function used for character to integer for perform this operation. Because of we will use integer value 65, so you can, some operators are use minus, modulus. So only change, instead of this operation plus, using for encryption, instead of a plus you will use a minus, using for decryption method. So very easy. Well, just any one method you will memorize, you will easily implement your exam or any interview or else. Now we will sort. Now I will solve this problem. First we will change. First I will change the character. First we will pass the value. What value? Say d values pass. What is our D, E, F, G, H? This encrypted test is passed. The zip code is 3. D. First D. What is D? D change that character to integer. Let's open up website. It's a caps. What value we will use? 68. 68. Here is present 68. 68. Here shift code. What shift will pass 3? Using 3. With 3. 68 minus 3 is 65. 65 is 0. 0 modulus 26. Well, using the rendered function. Wait. What is the answer of 0 modulus 26? 0 modulus 26 is 0. I hope your doubt is clear now. First, because of you know about presence operator. First you can solve the bracket value, then go to multiplication, then go to modulus or divide. After you will enter in minus and plus operator. Okay, first, that's why we will first solve that in between the bracket value. 68 minus 3, 65. Here we will get 0. 0 modulus 25 is 0. 0 plus 65, we get the answer 65. I hope everyone know about this answer 65. Then we want only message, we don't only numbers. That's why we will use char inbuilt function. this function what to do, this char function to do is change the integer to character based on Unicode in ASCII value. What is a 65? It's a character to integer. What value would represent in 65 in ASCII value? A. Okay, we will get answer A. Here we will store A. In result is empty string. It's append A append empty string. In result A. Then again this loop is iterate. Then what? E. D E F G H. Well pass the string D E F G H. D E F G H. Then after iterate the for loop, E is passed, E is come here. Again work this formula. Again I will explain. I have time more. You just sit and watch my video. You will easily get clarity about what kind of decryption technique. Now in my reserve, now my temporary char value store E value is after for loop iterate. Here come 0 after 1 in test. Here 1, what value is present? E value is present. Then E values come here. Again I solve this program. A lot of people struggle to understand this. Again I will explain. I have time. Wait a minute. In result, what value is present? I hope everyone know about A. A is present. A. Then go to this part. Here equations are there. In this char function, what value is stored? I think E. Cap C. Order of function char is changed to character to integer. So E, what is the E ASCII value? Cap C ASCII value 69. Then come to program 69. Here we will enter the 69 value. So ASCII value for E. If anyone confused, go to my website, go to that ASCII value and open up my website. You will navigate the categories. In second file you will find out that categories. Click on the ASCII values, then blogs are posted, then click on blog. You will see that this blog. Okay, now entering into the program part. Then system one of my shift code is, or shift code enter is 3 or 69 minus 3 66, 65 minus 66 1. So 1 modulus 26. I'm already told what is these functions answers, this equation answer. The 1 modulus 26, a lower value modulus 26, anything its answer is only is low value. Okay, so 1 modulus 26, so 1 is the answer. 1, so 1 plus 65 is a 66. Vice versa, you will use this method, follow that FGH characters. A character of 66 in the values in character. That's why we will change that character function in build function. built-in function using of integer to character. What is the CCC's value have? What alphabets have CCC's value in ASCII value? B. I think moreover will solve that problem is a B. Then A plus B in result it's store AB. Those method is follow for FGH. Or the final we will get answer is A B C D E. This is our plain test. Now we will check. Now I will run the program to save the program. First I will encrypt my test. Run the program. This is my encryption program. A B C D E using of shift code 3 or encryption test is D E F G H. Omitting this part. This is understanding for you. Then go to decryption program, then run that program. Here I will paste that encrypted test, then pass the shift code 3. Yes, I decrypted my message. This technique is very useful to me because of hiding my message my friends to share to my friends in teachers. While teaching I will send my message to my friend using this technique. That's very fun. Any doubt, leave a comment in video. I hope everyone understand the encryption decryption program using in Python. If you have any doubt, leave a comment. Go to our website, visit our website, read my blogs. We will solve C# problem statement. We will take some problem statement as loops problem statement, operators problem statement. We will solve the C#, Python, everything. Just open our website, in URL type Innovative Codes Academy. You will get a search. The first link is you will get. So click on that link. You will navigate. You will touch with us. Tie up a strong bond. You will read our blogs, gain our knowledge. I am also student. It's my free time. I will write blog and make videos. I will give you a both link in a description. You can navigate and use it. Those links are ASCII value link and Cipher encryption and decryption problem solution link. You can use it and enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. You're signing off, Prabhakaran.